Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to see about basic human rights in that Universal Declaration of Human Rights UDHR. So we will see the what is UDHR. UDHR, welcome to the United Nations UN logo Peace, Dignity and Equality on Health Planet Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a milestone document in history of human rights. Drafted by representatives with different legal and cultural backgrounds from all regions of the world, the declaration was proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly in Paris on 10 December 1948. General Assembly Resolution 217A as a common standard of achievements for all peoples and all nations. It sets out for the first time and fundamental human rights to be universally protected, and it has been translated into over 500 languages. Means the UDHR, it was adopted by the United Nations General Assembly on December 10, 1949 and serves as a global standard for the promotion and protection of human rights. So if it consists of the 30 articles that outline the rights and principles that every person is entitled of. Here these articles under the UDHR. So we will see the first preamble. What is the preamble? Preamble, whereas recognition of the inherent dignity and of equal and inalienable rights of all members of the human family is the foundation of freedom, justice and peace in the world. So, the preamble sets out that the underlying principles and aspirations of the UDHR, emphasizing that the inherent dignity. So, we will see the articles, some articles under the UDHR. So, first article is the all human beings are born free and equal dignity, rights. They are endowed with reasons and conscience and should act towards one another in a spirit brotherhood. Means the article 1 tells us that we all are we all human beings are the free born free and all have the equal dignity and rights. So second article, everyone is entitled to their all rights and freedoms set forth in this declaration without distinction of any kind, such as a race, color, sex, language, religion, political or another opinion, national or a social origin, property, birth or the other status. Furthermore, no distinction shall be made in the basis of the political, judicial or the international status of the country or territory to which a person belongs, whether it be independent trust, non-self-governing or under the any other limitations of sovereignty. Means article 2 tells us that we do not make the distinction between any kind of religion, nation, who belongs to which country, which nation. We don't discriminate that. So we will see the next third article. Everyone has the right to life, liberty and security of person. Means article 3rd tells us that the everyone has the right to life, right to live their life with liberty and security of a person. So article number 4, no one shall be held in a slavery or a servitude slavery, and the slave trade shall be prohibited in all their forms. Means article 4 tells that no one shall be held in anyone slavery. Means all have the freedom, liberty. No one should be no one's slavery. Article number 5, no one shall be subjected torture, or to cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. Means Article 5 tells that no one no one shall be subjected to torture. Means no one can be torture to another individual. Article number 6. Everyone has the right to recognition everywhere as a person before law. Means everyone has the recognition everywhere a person before law. Article number 7. All are equal before the law and entitled without discrimination to equal protection of law. All are entitled to equal protection against any discrimination in violation of this declaration and against any indictment or to such a discrimination. Means Article number 7 tells that us to anyone all are equal before law, entitled without any discrimination to equal protection of the law. Means all have the equal protection of the law. Article number 8. Everyone has the right to an effective remedy by the competent national tribunals for acts violating the fundamental rights granted him by the constitution or by law. Means Article number 8 tells that effective remedy violations of rights. So we'll see the next article number 9. No one shall be subjected to arbitrary arrest, detention or exile. Means no one can arrest any individual without any reason. Article number 10. Everyone is entitled in fully equality to a fair and public hearing by an independent and impartial tribunal in a determination of the rights and obligations and of any criminal charge against him. Means Article number 10 tells us that any person have to any victim has the right to say their opinion. Article number 11. Every charged with a penal offence has the right to be presumed innocent until proved guilty according to law in a public trial at which he has had all the guarantees necessary for his defense. So next one is the 12th. No one shall be subjected to arbitrary interference with his privacy, family, home or correspondence, nor to attacks upon his honor and reputation. Means Article number 12 tells us that no one can enter in their home or in their personal life without their permission. Article number 13. Everyone has the right to freedom of the movement and residence with any borders of each state. Means Article number 13 tells us that everyone has to right to freedom of movement and we can go to any state, any border, etc. Article number 14. Everyone has the right to seek and enjoy in other countries asylum from pre-section. The article number 14 is the similar. Article number 15. Everyone has a right to nationality. No one shall be arbitrarily deprived of his nationality nor denied the right to change his nationality. Means everyone has to right nationality. No one can deny the right to change his nationality. Article number 16. Men and women of full age without any limitation due to race, nationality or religion religion have the right to marry and found a family. They are entitled to equal rights to as to marriage during marriage and at its dissolution. Means every woman man has the right to marry and get the found the family. Article number 17. Everyone has the right to own property alone as well as in association with others. Means everyone has to right the own property. Article number 18. Everyone has the right to freedom of thought, conscience and religion. These rights include freedom to change his religion or belief and freedom either alone in community with others and in public or private to manifest his religion or belief in teaching, practice, worship and observance. Means anyone have the freedom to thought to express their thoughts and change his religion free change his religion. They can have the freedom. Article number 19. Everyone has the right to freedom, opinion, and expression. These rights include freedom to hold opinions without interference and to seek, receive, and impart information of the ideas through the any media, regardless of foreigners. Means the article number 19 tells us that everyone has to right the freedom of the express their opinions, express their thoughts without interference of the seek, receive the impart information and ideas through media. Article number 20. Everyone has the right to freedom of a peaceful assembly, association. No one may be compelled to belong to an association. Everyone has to right to freedom of peaceful assembly and association. Thank you. So in this lecture we are completed 20 articles of the UDHR. Thank you.